Hello and welcome to Daily Dose of Tarot Guidance, where you get readings in just 1 minute and 11 seconds for yourself daily in English language. Today's pick card reading is how to make your partner obsessed by you. So what is the definition of partner for you? You can take it like that. Either you're single, committed, or in a relationship. So it could be your husband, wife, boyfriend, girlfriend, or your ultimate future spouse, crush, whatever you think currently partner looks like in your mind. How to make that partner obsessed by you, we will be covering today in just 1 minute and 11 seconds for yourself. But yes, if you're interested for long format videos, that too in Hindi language, you can check out my another channel where readings come almost on the alternate basis. So go, feel free to share your love and support over there as well. But coming back to this reading, here are beautiful 3 lyrics or beautiful 3 songs. Whichever you connect most to, select that. I'll see you at reading. Hello to the people who have selected here the first lyric. A very strong message that is coming to make your partner obsessed by you is basically you have to be their half human. That means you have to read their mind. They want that whenever they are taking a strong stand against someone or somebody, you support them in their stance, you support them in their belief. Apart from that, they also want you to be very nourishing, loving and caring towards you. They want you to be their sanctuary, their comfort sanctuary. So you provide them the warmth. Also, if you can somehow give them that confidence that you guys together will financially be well, that is also going to make your partner obsessed with you. So your finances, the better your finances are, the more good you earn in career, your partner will be more impressed by you. And definitely if you want to make them obsessed, you need to add passion in your life. So comfort, passion, a surety, taking stand with them and just being superbly compatible with them, especially in the situations where things are not in their favor and you are with them, it will make them obsessed. Hello to the people who have chosen here the second lyric. As a strong message coming to make your partner obsessed with you is celebrate big moments in small things. If you make a big deal out of the small things, simple things, they are completely obsessed by you. They love that you cherish each and every moment with them and you are partnered with them through the thick and thin. If you do this, they are very happy to be with you. Apart from that, they also will be clearly obsessed by you if you are very vocal about your feelings. Either you're feeling good, either you are feeling bad, but how much transparent you are with your feelings towards them, if you tell them, it makes them so special that you have that no filter energy only with them. But make sure that you only keep this thing to them only, that you are this no filter person with them, where you can share and be vulnerable how much you love them. And apart from that, if you cherish little moments with them or simple things with them, that makes them completely obsessed by your simplicity and your beautiful heart. So claim it with a like. Hello to the people who have chosen here the last lyric. What one thing that makes your partner completely obsessed by you is your change of fierceness, emotions when you are with them versus the people. They like how sweet, cute, teddy and childlike you are with them and how soft and vulnerable you are with them. And as soon as when you go out in the public, you have that boss energy, you can take things under control, you can just make them feel so secure and warm with your position and the way you carry yourself in the world. It makes them feel so good that such a powerful person who is adored by many and many people are intimidated by them. This person is so sweet and so generous with me. Apart from that, when you go out on the travels with them, either small or short, the times you spend with them and how much fun you are at that time, that makes your partner completely obsessed by you. Your partner is obsessed by your physical looks and the physical chemistry you guys enjoy in the bedroom. It makes your partner obsessed. So claim it with a like. I'll see you tomorrow.